to kindly peruse that particular communication. They have specified in that particular notification that was issued on 8th of September that my role is limited for only technical matters of the scheme.
18th of September or 8?
18th of September, Lordship. I think it is stapled on the
Yes.
18th September. Sudeep Sarkar, Assistant Executive Engineer and Member Secretary come technical member will be solely responsible for all technical matters
But
of the
you
scheme.
given it through affidavit, no? You haven't given it through affidavit.
No, Lordship, on the last occasion I got that paper only. That's why I have
It's
given.
okay. We'll decide it
Lordship,
on the CD.
The bail objection they have submitted, Lordship, that is the after HCG, and I think it's
2022 matter.
after rejection
Let him go on with
with my objection.
2022 matter.
Exactly, Lordship.
Sasid has not been submitted.
Not been submitted.
Earlier he was on interim protection, and
This
thereafter
time I'm not on interim protection.
earlier, Lordship, thereafter after he appeared,
Mm.
his bail has been rejected.
Mm.
And again, this time they have appeared and they have submitted a petition, and that's only that, except that bail objection, I have not found anything in that CBI.
See, he has fairly submitted.
Yes, Lordship, that I know him, Lordship.
They are fair,
Exactly, Lordship.
unlike certain allegations.
Exactly,
sometimes.
Lordship, exactly.
Where's the FIR?
FIR, Lordship, is at page number 22. Page number 22, the second paragraph is important, Lordship.
Page number 22.
22.
The FIR.
Yes, Lordship. This is the initiation of the investigation, Lordship. This is a district development commissioner who is the president of the construction committee. He had communicated to the officer in charge of Kalinganj police station, Lordship. And based on that communication, inquiry was conducted. Lordship, kindly, I'm just like to point out this second paragraph, Lordship. It has been mentioned here that it is found that the Sarkar has not executed the scheme proportionate to the fund release for the scheme amounting to be such and almost entire amount of fund has been withdrawn. Now, I am not the person to execute the scheme, Lordship. I've just given that particular notification. I am only the member secretary of the construction committee, and the concerned person who has issued that communication, he was the president. I am the member secretary. My role is limited only to the extent of technical matters, Lordship. So the contention of that,
Insert this in the
exact contention of the allegation is unfounded, Lordship. I am not supposed to execute the scheme.
Insert this in the argument.
Exactly, Lordship. I am not supposed to execute the scheme, Lordship. I have to verify whether it has been done properly or not, along with the district development commissioner, Lordship.
Okay. Third learned counsel, Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, for the petitioner, Sudeep Sarkar, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with waiver of previous bail, as is apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Third, Mr. P.S. Lokar, learned additional PP Assam. The FIR unfolds that the petitioner, Sudeep Sarkar, was entrusted as member secretary,
Yes, Lordship. The notification.
come
Yeah,
technical member of the construction committee constituted, via notification dated 18/9/2021
21.
and notification dated 8/12/2021 and subsequently vide office order dated 2/11/2020 and 27/1/2022 to execute the schemes under MLAADS, capital, 2019-2020 and 2021-2022 for 3 numbers and 6 numbers of schemes respectively. Full stop. The list of the scheme has been enclosed with the FIR. Full stop. Within the list of the scheme has been enclosed along with the FIR within in brackets. Full stop. It is further alleged that the petitioner has not executed the schemes proportionate to the fund released for the schemes amounting to rupees 53.124 lakhs, and almost entire amount of fund has been withdrawn from the bank account, misguiding the authority. Full stop. Further, the BDO, LOWAIR POA, Luaipura
Development.
Development Block also intimated some schemes under different program entrusted to the petitioner for execution, but till date, no report about the status of the work and utilization of the funds have been received from the petitioner. Full stop. The learned additional PP has raised objection stating that earlier this petitioner's prayer for bail has been rejected by this court. Prayer for anticipatory bail, no?
Yes,
Has been
Lordship.
rejected by this court. Have you submitted any new circumstances? Change of
New
circumstances?
circumstances, Lordship, on the last occasion, that was only because of the fact that the report that was obtained from the concerned IO, Lordship, that's because of the interim order did not cooperate, but this time there is nothing like that, Lordship. And in view of
So
that.
it is submitted by the, you have appeared before the IO?
Exactly, Lordship. On the last occasion also, I
Earlier,
appeared for the
no, in earlier bail petition, when there is a interim protection, he has
I appeared before the
given,
IO, Lordship.
then he appeared.
And I've recorded my statement also. Yes, Lordship.
It is submitted that the petitioner has filed this petition. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petition has filed his petition on change of circumstances. Full stop. Earlier, the petitioner had cooperated with the investigation, but a report was forwarded by the IO that he had not cooperated with the
Yes,
investigation.
Lordship.
Full stop. Now the CD will clearly, now it is submitted that the CD will clearly reveal that the petitioner has cooperated with the investigation. Full stop.
No, no, CD not reveals. CD not reveals that he is cooperating. He is not cooperating.
It is submission.
Oh, it is his submission.
Oh,
Submission, my
it
submission.
is submission. I have scrutinized the case diary. It is true that the FIR was lodged way back in 2022. Full stop. Investigation is
Substantial progress.
huh?
It is substantial progress, Lords.
Any new material, not new material.
No, materials are there. It is progress. He appeared. His statements recorded. Something has been found against him also.
So they can submit the charge sheet now. Also at the back end of the investigation.
It is also further submitted by the learned additional PP that there are some materials against the petitioner in the case diary. Full stop. The scrutiny of the case diary reveals some materials in the case diary against the petitioner. Full stop. However, I have considered the length of detention and the progress of length of detention. I have considered the progress of investigation. Full stop. Investigation has progressed substantially. Full stop. The petitioner has pledged to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation and to appear before the IO as
Yes,
and when necessary. Full stop. The petitioner has also appeared before the IO and his statement has been
Yes,
recorded.
exactly, Lordship.
Statement recorded
Earlier.
Recorded, Lordship.
earlier.
Earlier.
Statement recorded earlier. Full stop. It appears that bail may be granted to the petitioner, considering all aspects. Petition is allowed. In the event of his arrest, the petitioner shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount with the satisfaction of the arresting authority.
Yes, Lordship.
Under the, yes.
One condition also can put he will cooperate with the investigation, and if anything has with him, any documents are there, as there is mentioned that he is not cooperating and some documents are with him, he is not submitting, so that he will.
Yes, yes,
cooperate to that
definitely.
extent.
If
Under the
anything-
condition that the petitioner shall cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation. Number 2, the petitioner shall submit any documents if required by the investigating agency.
Yes.
The petitioner shall appear before the IO as and when the IO requires the petitioner's assistance in investigation. Cooperation, assistance, no, cooperation in investigation. The petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without permission. Jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the petitioner shall not tamper with the evidence, and the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which is alleged. On breach of any of the bail conditions,